Thank you for joining this webinar about the SciFit recumbent bikes. We'll cover the key features of the recumbent bike models along with an overview of the console programs. Now let's go over the product features. The recumbent bikes are wheelchair accessible and ADA compliant. Individuals in wheelchairs can exercise directly from their chair, so no transfer is required. SciFit recumbent bikes feature a very low starting resistance, about 6 watts. It doesn't even take a complete pedal revolution for the console screen to light up. The console lights up and stays functioning at very low speeds and workloads too. On the other end of the spectrum, the recumbent bikes accommodate elite athletes with a broad range that goes over 1,000 watts on the top end. The workload levels go from 1 to 20, which are adjustable in 0.1 increments, providing 191 levels of resistance. For example, you start at level 1.0 and go up to 1.1, 1.2, and so forth. This provides the most comprehensive and progressive system for gradual improvement. It's also great for user motivation. Oftentimes, users will feel like they're stuck on a level and have hit a plateau on other products because the jumps from one level to the next are so significant. The small level increases on the SciFit bikes can keep them moving in the right direction to meet their exercise goals. SciFit recumbent bikes feature a true step-through entry. The seat sits on a flat monorail with no slope, making it easy to get on and off and move with ease forward and back. Bidirectional resistance allows the user to exercise in both forward and reverse, changing directions at any time and as often as desired. It reduces the risk of injury by recruiting reciprocal muscle groups, like hamstrings and quads, to help reduce the risk of injury from muscle imbalance. Changing directions can decrease localized fatigue, resulting in the ability to prolong the workout. For example, changing directions every 30 seconds allows the user to use relatively fresh muscles and work out for a longer period than may have been possible otherwise. Changing directions adds variety to a workout too. There are 3 seat systems that are compatible with the recumbent bikes. For most medical and senior living facilities, the premium seat is preferred. However, the standard seat is a great choice for get on and go, and the bariatric seat is a great choice when a high user weight capacity is needed. Since the premium seat has the most adjustments, we'll go over those briefly. Like the other 2 seats, the premium seat moves forward and back and can be removed for wheelchair access. The premium seat also has height adjustment with the big yellow bar just underneath the seat cushion, and it has a 450-pound user weight capacity. The premium seat also can swivel in a complete circle, locking out at each 90-degree angle, and can recline. There are a variety of recumbent bike model options. This is a reference to the item numbers, the key components like forward or bidirectional resistance, along with a notation of seat style. A variety of accessories are available. The most popular are the low support boots, which feature a heel cup and 2 straps that go over the top of the foot to allow foot placement through the range of movement. The adjustable cranks have 3 link settings to alter the size of circle pattern that users make. Both of these are commonly used in medical and senior living facilities. Now we're going to dive into the console and programs. The SciFit console is very user-friendly with a touchscreen display. The tactile buttons below it are fully functional as well. Built-in cooling fans can be adjusted in 3 speeds and can be turned off. There is a water bottle holder at the top and an accessory tray at the bottom. 2 ports are on the sides of the console. The port on the right side is a charging station, and the port on the left side can be used to record exercise data with a flash drive. The high color contrast and large font make it easy to navigate through the menu and to view the program screen. The workout readouts include the name of the program, resistance level, distance, heart rate, METs, watts, calories, time, and RPM. Quick Start is on all 3 menu screens. The other program options on the first menu include manual, constant work, ISO strength, hills, heart rate, and fit quick. If you press the gray triangle that says more just to the right of quick start, you'll go to menu 2. The random hills, stress test, heart fit test and training, and power fit test and training programs are on menu 2. If you press the more button again, it will take you to the third menu. This is where you'll find general product and service contact information and brief program descriptions. You can simply press the green Quick Start button on the display or directly on the screen and begin exercise. From there, you can adjust the resistance levels up and down as desired. Constant Work is a great endurance program that has built-in limits as a safeguard. The user sets up the program by either watts or METs and maintains that workload throughout the program, independent of speed. So if the user slows down, the resistance will increase. If the user speeds up, the resistance will decrease, keeping the workload constant. ISO Strength is the exclusive strength program featured on SciFit products. This program provides the user a strength option using a cardio movement. ISO Strength is a safe, functional strength program in which the resistance matches the user's effort. The interval training that can be carried out using ISO Strength is determined by the RPM setting and speed of movement. For maximum resistance, attempt to go faster than the RPM setting. The machine will not let you go any faster, so the harder you try, the more resistance is generated, creating a strength exercise. Power Burst is a brief segment of ISO Strength that you can do in any of the programs by pressing Menu in the lower right side of the screen and then selecting Power Burst. Now we're going to talk about a couple ways you can record exercise results and outcomes. At the end of an exercise session, the workout results can be saved by plugging in a USB flash drive in the left side port on the console, and then pressing the green Save button, which is in the lower right side of the cooldown screen. From there, the information can be uploaded to a computer in the form of a text file for tracking progress. You can take documentation a step further with the optional FitKey software. This software technology allows a user to create custom programs and carry them out on the bikes and other SciFit products. The software allows you to track results for each workout or check trends and progress over a period of time. FitKey is easy to program for plug-and-play convenience. You can access setup mode by pressing a series of buttons in sequence. Enter button, 2-dot button, 5-dot button, and the 6-dot button. Once you're in setup mode, you can change a variety of defaults and make customizations. For example, you can check hours of utilization, change default language or unit of measure. You can also change the starting level, which is a good feature for sports performance markets, for example, as they don't want to start at level 1.0 in most settings. You can also change the length of Power Burst and customize the Fit Quick program or create pop-up banners to cue the user to change directions at set intervals. Refer to the operations manual for more information on setup mode. For more information on the Recumbent bikes or other SciFit products, please contact 800-278-3933 or go to our website, www.scifit.com.